Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and yes, we're back with the watch face of the week, so stay tuned. We're about to show this one off. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and yes, we got the watch face of the week, and this one, it is really nice. The name of it is called Axiom. Very nice look. In always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down quite a bit, and you're going to get a different look on the gears too, but it's still going to look great. Now, when the watch face is on, I'm liking the design. I like the background, which is supposed to rotate 360 degrees, and I like the information and how it's being given, kind of like in the wing factor, kind of. Now, to the left, you're going to get miles walked or ran written out, and then on the other side, on the right-hand side, you're going to get your heart rate, and then you go back over to the left-hand side, and you're going to get your battery percentage, and then you come back over to the right-hand side, and you got your step info. And I like how everything is legible. Now, you do get a PM stamp down at the bottom, along with the day on the left-hand side at the bottom as well. You get a moon phase. It is an analog watch face, so you do get a second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. I'm telling you, this is really a nice look, and it is interactive. So if I tap right here, let me tap precisely. I can get info on my calories burned right here. Let's see what I get. I got a slow reaction to it. Get battery info, and I tap down at the bottom. I can get my music, and if I tap right here, I could get my info on my weather, which is definitely very important. Same thing with your heart rate and also your step info. I'm telling you guys, this is definitely a nice look. Now, you got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know if it's only me, or is this a good look. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.